Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Okay, we are in the she shop today. I got a project. It's been in the doom pile for a while. And it's updating some home decor pieces that I don't even know why I really picked them up, but maybe I thought they could be something. Y'all remember seeing these like sometime in the early 2000s? Like everybody had like a little basket. It said believe, hope. I've got like 3 of these. What did the other ones say? I think I broke one. I picked them up with the idea that I'm going to repurpose them, right? I didn't. So they've been in the doom pile. Nobody wants these anymore. You can find them all over the place. You may even own these. Everyone had like baskets or like a little dough bowl, like the French baguette bowl, and then they would have some dried flowers in it and their little balls. Sometimes they had little natural ones and all this stuff. They need an update. That one rolls weird. It's got like a weight or something in it. I don't know, but it's not even done well. Look at, like, they're terrible. I don't know. I wouldn't have bought them. I wouldn't have bought these. I did buy these, so I can't say that. Let me see if I can find the other ones. Hang on. I only found one other one, and it says love. So we've got believe and love, and the other one I think is broken. Did I break the other one? Wait. We have 3 balls. $5 says you can't guess what this one says. Faith. Not that you could read it on the dark on dark on dark on dark. Can you see? Faith. All right. It is dark on dark on dark, but this is how they would have been in a basket. They're not well painted. The decal's rolling off here. Like this one. And when you want, anyone want to weigh in? Anyone in the class that knows where we start with these? Yes, we need to sand them. Sanding is #1 priority on every project. First of all, it has the weird decal on it. Second of all, it's got a texture that's not a happy texture. Yes, I'm eating goldfish. Shut up. I didn't have breakfast. Oh, and this is quick. So, first things first, we need to sand. Then we need to paint it. I'm not really sure what I want to do with them. I'm going to use a sanding block because it'll curve. If you thought you needed to exfoliate, these balls need to exfoliate. I'm going to sand the whole thing, not just the decal, because we need something for our paint to bite onto. Next is love. Ew. Love would not be erased, so it's still a little lovey, but it ain't coming off there, so now we're going to go after believe. As I was sanding, I was thinking, you know, these would be cute, like, in a garden, like a little gazing ball. And I have metallic paints, the metallic accent paints. I got a couple of them. I've got purple, I think I have a copper, and I think I have a rose gold. Made them into like little mini gazing balls. Wouldn't they be cute in a garden? believe was a hanger-on too. So apparently it's just faith that crumbles. Ooh, that was not a statement. It's just talking about bees. All right. I am going to take them out and wash them because the little sanding dust has gotten everywhere and they're coated. Clean. They are clean. And they smell pretty. I have peony hand wash. So yeah, I'm gonna make them into gazing balls. I think I want to make them into gazing balls. Or do we just paint them white and decoupage some floral tissue paper on it and call it a day? I'm going to go ahead and make these little gazing balls. So I have metallic accents from Rust-Oleum in Glacier Blue. I have metallic accents from Rust-Oleum in purple, Vikings purple, for those of you who are from Minnesota. And I have several other metallic colors that I'm trying to decide on, but we can get started painting with the Glacier Blue because I know I'm going to use that for sure. I love this. I love this color. Love this color. So let me get you guys switched around and we're going to start painting with our pretty blue. All right. I love this color. I've got it just sitting up on this thing like I don't know how to paint a sphere any other way. Trust the process. Trust the process. Like it will cover eventually. Should I have primed it? Probably. Am I? No. I am not. Will I regret it? Maybe. All right, let that dry because I'm starting to pull it off. But it's so pretty. I'm going to keep going. While that side dries, I'm going after the Vikings purple here, and I'm going to put that on the brown one because I think this is, yeah, a darker, see, it's going to cover better on the darker color here. That's pretty. Now I have to wait for that side to dry so I can flip it over and do one coat on the other side of both of them. But oh my gosh, I love the purple. I forgot how much I love this metallic purple. What else could we paint metallic purple? Y'all, I'm open to suggestions. Look how pretty that purple is. And I'm going to do the last one in the rose gold. And you may be asking yourself, Stacy, why didn't you use the rose gold on the beige and the blue on the green? Seems like it would cover better. And you'd be right. It's because I didn't think of it. It's because I just dove right in and started painting without really putting much forethought into that. But you are smarter than I am. So when you do yours, you're going to go, you know what? This would cover the beige so much better than the green. And the blue would cover the green better. So let's do that. But I didn't. So here we are. Transforming these into garden gazing balls. I didn't even know I was going to be doing this when I woke up this morning. I just kind of winged it. I'm winging it. The purple's my favorite so far. The blue will end up probably being my favorite, but right now that thing is so vibrant. Look how beautiful these are. These are going to be cute little gazing balls. Okay, so first coat is dry, but I have to make a repair. Yes, I touched it. I touched it right there. I was like, is it dry? Beep. Was not dry. Don't do that. But we can fix it. Unfortunately, it means grabbing our sanding block again and taking down the high spots because you will see it So we have to smooth that whole spot out and repaint it. There's no other way. With the metallics, you're going to see any kind of hole or texture. So try and blend it. The best we can do. That's the best we can do. We have to live with sometimes we make mistakes. And life's too short to worry about them. Life's too short to like throw myself in front of a train because I touched this. You know what I mean? So we're not freaking out about it. We're just going, I touched it. We're moving on. And I'm going to put another coat on. So I'll get you guys switched around so you can see what I'm working on. And our little spot that I touched is right there. And I'm going to do the, put it on the tape like I did the other ones. Because I feel like that holds it in place better than when I had it on the glass. They still move around, but second coat, yeah, that starts to cover all the color. Okay, so coat 2 on that looks so much better. And I'm going to stop picking at it. I'm going to let that dry. I'll grab the purple one, but I gotta dry that to clean my brush. And I'm just thinking about the purple one. I think I'm actually gonna flip the purple one and do the other side before doing coat 2 on this one. So we're gonna do the second side of that one. Okay, they're dry again. The purple one's already starting to look really good. You can still see some of the lines through it, but that one I got to do all the way around. This one took a lot of second coating to get that, and then, so now we're gonna flip them and do the other side. They're gonna be such cute little gazing balls. I'm kind of happy. So let's get them flipped over and painted the rest of the way. Okay, so I just went ahead and finished all the coats. Still my favorite. This one matches my hat though. Wait. And the rose gold. These are so pretty now. These will be so cute in a garden, like little gazing balls. And I'm debating over whether or not I should try and find like a candlestick to stick them on so that they're very clearly, you know, up like a gazing ball. But I think I can just put like garden art on it and they'll be fine to sell. But they're so cute. Like, I know. It's not everybody's thing. Like, not everybody's going to want to do that. But if you have these, it's a cute little way to repurpose them. And I suppose I should probably clear coat them. I'm going to probably take them outside. It's going to warm up this weekend and spray clear them because painting a sphere is kind of a pain in the butt. So I'll stick them up on points and spray point them. It's been a long day already. Anyway, I'll clear coat them so that they can sit outside without any issue. So that's my favorite. Like, I would put this in my garden. I probably will put this one in my garden. I don't know that these will make it to the store. So just along your little walkway, you know, and you've got your plants out and stuff, and just have this little piece of color in there. A little pop of color. I love it. These have been in here way too long, and I'm really surprised that I just didn't do this sooner. Hey, and it made a spot. So I have a box down here that's got projects in it, and it's getting empty. I'm very happy about that. I love another doom pile down. These are so pretty together, though. Like all three of them together. would just be so cute in your garden. Color. I love color. I can't tell you how much I love color. And if you've got a garden and it needs pollinators and they like the bright colors, this would be a fun little project. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.